In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items in Zoho Books. Whether you're a seasoned business owner or just getting started, mastering this process will streamline your inventory management and ensure you keep accurate records. Let's dive right in. First, let's get you signed in. You'll start by navigating to the Zoho Books website, where you'll find the Sign In button prominently displayed. Click on that to begin. For a seamless experience, it's recommended to use your Google account for sign-in. Simply click Google and the system will prompt you to select the account you want to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, be sure to choose the one linked to your Zoho account. Depending on your internet connection, this process may take some time, so hang tight if it doesn't load immediately. Patience is key here. Once you're signed in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. From here, navigate to the Items tab. This is where all your inventory magic happens. In the top right corner of this section, you'll see a button labeled New. This is your gateway to adding a fresh item to your inventory, so go ahead and give that a click. Now comes the fun part, detailing your new item. The first choice you'll need to make is the type of product you're adding. Zoho Books categorizes items to help keep your inventory organized. Select the category that best fits your item, whether it's physical goods, digital products, or a service. This helps streamline the sales process later on. With the type of product decided, it's time to give your item a name. Choose something descriptive yet concise, ensuring it's easily identifiable for anyone interacting with your inventory. A clear naming convention can prevent confusion down the line, especially if your inventory is extensive. Next, you'll specify the unit of measurement. This could be units, pieces, pounds, kilograms, whatever makes the most sense for your item. This choice can impact your cost calculations, so choose wisely based on how you'll be selling and tracking this item. After specifying the unit, you'll need to input both the selling price and the cost price for the item. Having these figures handy will allow Zoho Books to accurately calculate profits and other essential financial metrics, providing valuable insights for your business. You'll also want to fill in any additional details specific to your item. This could include a description, SKU, or any other pertinent information that would aid in identifying the item throughout the sales and inventory pipeline. Once you've diligently filled out all the necessary fields, your final step is to hit Save. This will add the item to your inventory list and ensure it's ready for use in transactions, and there you have it, a simple, efficient way to manage your inventory in Zoho Books. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.